Today is Sierra Hotel 1 Tango Set Sunday, and today's Sierra Hotel 1 Tango set is a Cheiza CB701, and these are well known to be bleed over boxes, and so everybody thinks they are a load of Sierra Hotel 1 Tango. It's so low in the range it doesn't even have extension speaker sockets. I'll just pop that onto 31. However, when we did the tune-up, the receiver tuned up very sensitive. The transmitter's doing 3.6 watts, which, considering there's a 3.5 watt set, is pretty good going, because we all know that some of these only do 2. So it seems a good example. It's very well worn, and for those of you who enjoy watching me short out power leads, I've actually got it on a proper power lead and into the power supply. So Mr. Chippie is going to be out there somewhere. Nice thing about this is very soft squelch, because the receiver has done a totally different technique to most FM receivers, and of course that doesn't help the fact they're bleed over boxes, you know. And but we're in the middle of nowhere, and it's not like 1982 when everybody and the dog had an air level of the house, so shouldn't be a problem these days. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you read over? Okay then, right. Well, I'm on the Cheiza CB701 today.
Roger that, just coming up to the end of the line.
Roger. Now the meter would only calibrate to 25 microvolts equaling S9, so it's more sensitive than it should be. That's the way the set has been manufactured. We don't do modifications, and it just... the idea, I think, with manufacturers making them look more sensitive. Oh, look, our radio is more sensitive than your radio. But it's a shame, because I like them all to be uniform and set up the same.
Right, I'm just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Well, one thing I can say is, yes, last week we did that awful Lucas ACB888, and we were hearing the radar 6 miles away at Cranwell ticking as it swept our area. So at least it doesn't do that. This.
Right, just passing the top of the hill as we descend into Wilsford.
Roger on that, got you at the top of the hill.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie, just going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyley turn. Can't even speak. Now, that isn't as good as you'd expect. Despite the sensitivity, that isn't as good. Roger, got you going over Roresby level crossing, and I know you're going off to KFC to get something to eat over. Oh, it's McDonald's, is it? Okay then. Right, well, I'll catch you back at Tango Towers later. Thanks for the test. 10-10. Okay. But at that now 6.5 mile distance, I was able to carry on that conversation with him. But the clarity has dropped off over that last mile. But the point is, it works, and we're going to listen to how it sounds on my base station. And I think that for something with a GT858 chassis, I think that's working very well. Still Sierra Hotel 1 Tango, but it's working very well for what it is.
Tango 21, testing the Cheiza CB701 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as always, thank you for watching.